Hey you all, so I am so excited. I am coming to 33 different cities this year on the Dance2Fit tour, and I cannot wait to meet you all. If you do my dances on YouTube or on live stream, this is the perfect way to take a class with me in person, and I promise you, I will give you the best workout ever. So if you have not gotten your ticket now, do not wait. Get the tickets. It's down below in the link. Go get them now. Tag your friends. Bring your friends. It's going to be an amazing workout. The cities that we're coming to are Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Charlotte, North Carolina, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Lexington, Kentucky, Louisville, Kentucky, Nashville, Tennessee, Sandusky, Ohio, Columbus, Ohio, Indianapolis, Indiana, Cincinnati, Ohio, San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Arlington, Fort Worth, Dallas, Texas, Mobile, Alabama, Birmingham, Alabama, Atlanta, Georgia, St. Louis, Missouri, Kansas City, Missouri, Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, Houston, Texas, New Orleans, Louisiana, Lafayette, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Tampa, Florida, Orlando, Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, Lubbock, Texas, Midland, Texas, and El Paso, Texas. So we will be coming to more cities, but this is what we are going right now. We may have another tour in the fall. So get excited, go get your friends, get your tickets. I promise you, you're going to love it. So don't wait. Go get your tickets now. It's down here in the link below. If you don't see your city on there yet, then we are getting venues ready, but there are already 17 cities booked already, so go get your tickets now, and I will see you all very, very soon. The first stop is Charlotte, North Carolina, March 16th. So hopefully I will see you all soon. Bye!